So guys, one of the things I'm regularly asked, particularly via Instagram, is can I do a review of some products for skincare which are quality but don't cost the earth? Something that's available for anyone to pick up in the high street, in the drugstore, etc. for a budget price, because it's great that I go on about Dermalogica and Kiehl's and Cosrx and Innisfree and all those sort of products and say how brilliant they are. And yeah, it's great when you go onto YouTube and you see a YouTube skincare guru talking about the latest 80 or 90 pound tub of moisturiser they've bought, but most people can't warrant spending that sort of money. So can you get good quality skincare in the high street? In the UK we have a large number of high street stores called Superdrug, which are a pharmacy and skincare and makeup, etc. Very, very popular store. They're all over the place in the UK, and you can also buy online if you need to. So they have now got a brand for men. When I say they have got, they've had it for a while, but to be honest with you, it's not snobbery, but I've kind of not bothered trying any of theirs before until people have badgered me saying, look, can you please try something that's affordable? So I've gone out today and bought the B-Men Shave Cream, I've bought the Post-Shave Balm, and I've bought the Anti-Aging Moisturiser. So I wanted to try a range starting from their shave into their post-shave balm. This one I'm particularly interested in trying because I'm regularly asked if I can find a cheap aftershave balm that works, because there's an awful lot of aftershave balms from the big names which cost a lot of money, which are crap basically, and then go for the moisturiser. The moisturiser is an SPF 15. This is nice to have an SPF 15, but don't rely on this. You should still be using a separate sunscreen product. So let's go to the bathroom and see what I think. So starting with the shave cream, no real smell to it, quite thick coming out of the tube. It's got that silvery slick texture that you'd expect for something with a high amount of glycerin in. It is talked about as doing it with no brush, just putting it on my fingers, but as you can see here, I'm using a brush. It's creaming up very nicely with the brush, very easy to work on. Just cover my face all the way around. Feels nice enough to go on, no unpleasant smell, certainly no tingling putting it on, etc. Using my trusty Harry's blade that has become my go-to at the moment, glides through fairly well. I can imagine it's quite a thick cream, so I can imagine it's, if you're using a multi-blade like I am at the moment, it's probably going to clog the blades, so it will need probably running under high pressure water rather than just swirling it around in the sink to clear it, but that's not a problem. That's something I put up with a lot of the high quality thick creams that I use. So it feels very nice to use, definitely. It's time to go for the post-shave balm. One of the weird things about this is it describes itself as an 8-in-1. Now I don't like anything that's more than 2-in-1, you know, shampoos and conditioners, etc. I like them being separate. It gives me more control of what I use in what order. But it claims to be 12 hours moisturising that soothes, protects, energises and controls shine. Now I don't know about you guys, but I don't know anybody, myself included, that's ever complained about having a shiny chin. Feels nice going on. Not much of a smell to it. Very, very slight tingling as it goes on. And now I'm going to go for the anti-aging moisturiser. So SPF 15, as I say, it's a very nice inclusion, but do not rely on it for your sun protection. You must use an additional sunscreen product. Even if it's winter, there's still UV rays in the air which are going to penetrate the skin and lead to premature aging of the skin. Nice and smooth going on. Again, it's got a little fragrance to it. I would describe it as that sort of generic manly smell that a lot of products have got, certainly in the lower price brackets. So what do I think, guys? Do I think that you can go out and spend a few quid in a local drugstore and get a quality product? A lot of the time I'd say no, except for this. These are amazing products for the price. Okay, the moisturiser feels great, the SPF is a nice addition, the shave cream, again, very nice, very slick. The post-shave gel particularly is my standout of the three. I'm very impressed with this. This feels much better than products I've used on things like Jack Black, etc., which are, I think, probably about 27 quid a bottle or something, the other ones were. So this is £5.95. I've spent 30 quid on shave gels, used them once or twice, stuck them in the cupboard, never used them again. This I will continue using. The shave cream, 150 mils, again £5.95. Very good value for money. And the anti-aging moisturiser, again, really good quality product for a very reasonable price. Add on to that as well the fact that these are vegan and they're cruelty free, so that's a double thumbs up for a lot of people. I'm a big meat eater, so I'm not bothered about the vegan, but the cruelty free as an animal lover myself is very, very important to me. So that's a good thumbs up as well. Another thumbs up if you're at college or at uni or doing further education study is that Superdrug give a discount, I think it's a 20% discount to students. So if you've got an NUS card, National Union Students card, you can get 20% off of these prices. So you're looking at going in and getting all 3 stages of those for less than 15 quid, which is brilliant. Also, there's often sales, so I would say I bought these today, and these were £2.95 each. Superdrug, I am very impressed with the quality of this. This is something that I would recommend any man to try, any student or teenager that's at uni or college who's looking to get into a quality skincare routine, regularly looking after their skin but can't afford to spend a lot of money. The Be Men product range is perfect for you. I definitely recommend it if you're on a budget. Give it a go, let me know how you get on. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please remember to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so for new videos every single week, and please take a moment to comment underneath the video. I'm always interested and read the comments and reply to every single comment, and also it helps YouTube to actually show me in the search engines, which is great for a small channel like mine to get a little bit of recognition. I've been Bear Clark, you've been amazing, and I'll see you again real soon.